The story of Island Crest is rooted in commitment, preservation, and the decision to thoughtfully re-envision good bones. When the new owners discovered a 1958 home on Mercer Island, they were immediately drawn to its history and character. The couple fell for the building's mid-century design, Pacific Northwest craftsmanship, and the majestic magnolia anchoring the front yard. They envisioned it as a forever home where they could start their family. Yet they also saw that it needed a full gut remodel to meet the needs of their growing family and accommodate their social lifestyle and open door. More the merrier philosophy. When the new owners purchased the house from their adult children, they made a clear commitment to respect and enjoy what this house meant to the family. That commitment was challenged early in the renovation process. The first architect recommended tearing down the house and starting over. Later, the discovery of asbestos and mold throughout much of the structure presented another clear off-ramp. Yet for the homeowners, demolishing the home never aligned with their values or their promise. Saving the original structure, extending its life, reconfiguring the space, and layering on their own story felt more authentic and ultimately more congruent with their character. Encouraged by Mercer builders, the homeowners partnered with Brian Penns of ONOMA Architecture, whose approach emphasized careful listening over a predetermined aesthetic as conditions changed. Brian reimagined the house multiple times, improving flow, light, and functionality while maintaining the home's mid-century spirit. In total, the project moved through 3 distinct iterations, each one reinforcing the decision to save rather than replace. Ultimately, ONOMA moved the front door from the east facade to the south facade, thereby expanding and reconfiguring the entry sequence, which created 2 new entry points. First, a private foyer and mudroom for the owners entering from the detached garage, and second, a new public entry for friends and extended family with a concrete courtyard. A steel-covered walkway with a steel slat screen that's opaque from one direction and permeable from the other direction. Inside, walls were removed and rearranged. and structural flitch plates were bolted to the ceiling beams, which opened up the kitchen, dining, and living room. The team chose durable materials, such as decked-in countertops and white oak wood. A new freestanding wall with a glass partition at the end anchors the living room and also creates borrowed light down the stairwell. The kitchen now has sliding glass doors on both sides, with access to the expanded deck and entry courtyard, creating indoor-outdoor living and extending the social spaces as needed for larger gatherings. Today, the remodeled residence feels both refreshed and grounded durable materials, thoughtful reconfiguration, and a quiet reverence for the original architecture supporting contemporary family life. It's a project that reflects a broader ethos. Sustainability can begin with preservation, and good design doesn't erase history, it builds upon it.